This is a video recipe for this incredible vegetable quiche that is almost carb-free. So what I did was I took a pan. There's a pan over there. You can see how nice it cuts out from there. And what you have in here is eggs mixed with ricotta. I used 10 eggs and a tub of ricotta. So I layered mushrooms on the bottom. Let me turn this over so you can see how the mushrooms came out. Mushrooms and butter on the bottom, and it really formed like almost like a crust on the bottom. And you can see the mushroom in there. And then I did a layer with fresh spinach that I diced green pepper up on. I poured over the egg and ricotta mixture. And then I layered zucchini. I put right in here, you can see the cheesy awesomeness of the Swiss cheese. So I put a layer of Swiss cheese on there. And then 2 layers of zucchini at the top. And I finished it with yellow squash that I put bacon grease on. And there's also, I don't know if you can see them here, there's also bits of crispy bacon through it. That's me chewing it. It's super crispy. They didn't get soggy. I cooked the bacon first. So there you have it. A lovely quiche with no crust, but very crusty. And this from the bottom, this is so delicious and flavorful. I'm going to cut this up. I'm going to cut that up into little individual pieces and put it in the freezer. So have fun making yours. Let me see your variations of it. And there you have it, a lovely, almost carb-free vegetable quiche. Look at that. That little piece looks like a heart made with love.